are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and please click the like button. So for today's video, I'm going to color my hair. Since my hair is already bleached, so I'm going to color this using Crepe paper. Yes, Crepe paper. So I'm going to show you the different colors of Crepe paper that I bought. So here are the colors of the different colors of Crepe papers that I bought. We have red, this is red. We also have green. And we have blue, yes it's blue, and we also have violet, pink, and I'm not sure if it's black or gray. So from these colors, I'm going to choose, I'll choose the blue one. So this one, so I bought this for only 15 pesos. Okay, so let's try if it will work. Since my hair is already bleached. Okay, so my hair is bleached. So we'll try if it will work. So since blue yung napili ko, wag na nating patatagalin pa. Without further ado, let's color my hair with this color. So yung unang gagawin natin ay magpapakulo tayo ng tubig. And then we're going to cut this one into pieces. So as you can see, I choose the blue one. This is the dark color. Kasi later on, magla-light din naman yung color nito. Dahil nagpe-fade ito, nakatry na ko noon. Tapos yung ginamit ko ay yung kulay violet. So this time, gagamitin ko naman yung color blue. So, ito yung mga kinakailangan natin para makapagkulay na tayo ng hair natin. So, unang-una, kailangan natin ng hot water. Tapos, second, kailangan natin ng container. Yung lalagyan natin ng, because we're going to cut this one. Kung maglalagay na tayo ng water, huwag nating damihan masyado yung water. Dahil pag masyadong madami, hindi nalalabas yung kanyang totoong kulay. So, without further ado, let's start! Okay, so andito na yung na-mix yung water na may asin. Tapos, yung nakakat na ng crepe paper. So, here. Okay. So, i-mix lang natin to. Done! So, ilalagay na natin yung bubok.
Wow!
I'm done and I'm finally done. So, nakapag-wash na ko ng hair ko. So, binabal ko yung hair ko for 20 minutes. And pinapatuyo ko na lang siya. So, later makikita natin yung result. Kung anong result ng first color, which is blue, and the second color is violet. Lesson learned. So, always use gloves. Yung first color ko, which is blue, hindi gumamit ako ng gloves, pero parang hassle siya. So, yung sa second color ko, hindi na ako gumamit. So, ayan. So, ito ang result ng mga taong hindi gumagamit ng gloves pag nagkukulay ng kanilang mga buhok. So, yung result ay matchy yung color ng kamay nila tapos yung sa hair nila. Ay!
Where did I go wrong? I lost a friend somewhere along in the bed.
And so, natapos na akong magbanlaw at na-dry ko na din yung hair ko at ito ang result. Okay, so kitang-kita nyo naman guys. Naging violet talaga siya. Effective talaga siya, especially if yung hair nyo ay colored or naka-bleach yung hair nyo. Pero, pag hindi naman, hindi talaga siya hindi effective yung coloring ng crepe paper pag hindi bleach or pag hindi nakulayan yung hair nyo before. Okay? So, I hope that you learned something from my video for today, and thank you so much for watching. See you on my next video. Before I will end up my video, I just wanna shout out to my student named Jucel, to my friend Angeline, to my student Mansour Pilisco. Hello there. Thank you so much for subscribing. For my next shout out, please don't forget to comment. See you on my next video. Bye!